The greater omentum is also known as the epiploon, which is derived from the Greek word epipleo, meaning floating on the surface of something, which in this case is the surface of the intestines. The greater omentum is usually thin and has a perforated appearance. It contains variable amounts of adipose tissue or fat and consists of an anterior sheet and a posterior sheet, each made up of 2 layers. Therefore, the greater omentum consists of 4 layers in total. So if we go back to our image showing the abdominal cavity in the mid-sagittal plane, we can see the organization of the greater omentum a lot more clearly. The anterior sheet descends from the greater curvature of the stomach, then folds under itself to become the posterior sheet. The posterior sheet then passes superiorly to attach to the structure here, which is the transverse colon. Okay, now that we're familiar with the structure of the greater omentum, let's move on to talk about its function. So this is the section of the tutorial where we find out why it is called the policeman of the abdomen. So one of the functions of the greater omentum is fat deposition, as it contains variable amounts of adipose tissue. Macrophages contained within milky spots of the greater omentum help fight infections of the peritoneum, and it also may physically limit the spread of intraperitoneal infections. The greater omentum often adheres to inflamed visceral organs within the abdomen, which is thought to limit the spread of infection. And the last 2 functions are why it's commonly called the police officer of the abdomen.
If you found this quick anatomy or physiology video helpful, you'll enjoy our video tutorials even more. Click on the button and you'll see what I mean. We have hundreds of videos available to our premium members, not to mention all the fun quizzes, complete articles, and atlas sections to solidify your knowledge. Click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy and physiology.